Hello everyone. Here today we introduce a CNC router with the water tank cooling system for engraving on marble industry. Stone or metal can be used this type of the machine for processing. So here is the CNC router model with the working area is 1.3 meter by 2.5 meter. And the spindle power is 5.5 kilowatt, and the voltage is 380 volt. And this is the water pipe for cooling when the machine is working. And this is the stainless steel tank because the water will coming out from this pipe, and then we save in this stainless tank, and we're going back to the hole like this here and to this pipe. This pipe will be need to connect with the filter or other device. The machine will be connect with the water chiller. And this is the program with the English language. And this is the button for the power, and this is the e-stop, emergency stop. And this is the U-dig to input the file. And then the details to the electricity combined with the driver, inverter, and the mainboard. And all the cable we mark the information with each cable, and this is the computer inside. This is the metal part. It can remove when you need to put the material, so we can get it out. Okay. Here is the water chiller to connect with the spindle. One is in and one is out. Yeah, and connect with the cable in the here to connect with the spindle. Okay, so this machine manufactured from Dragon Diamond.